Number one, maybe they have seen that you eat food more than them, or you are a future millionaire, or they say that you like to stay your own, you don't like problem, or they say that you are beautiful or you are handsome more than them, or they see that your business is flourishing more than their own. They will start putting eyes on you. Those people putting eyes on you, their eye will close one day. Or now when they put eye for another man's business, and you know with you one day. Mind your business. You get somewhere where we say you go to sell market. Your neighbor, where they sell that same market, or where they even sell another thing, because of say your own they go where you get a lot of customers. You don't already, people know you. People they call you sweet names. You will see somebody